How's it going? Today I'll show you the best apps that you can use on your Firestick to get movies and TV shows totally free of charge. And the whole setup is actually pretty easy too. So the first step you gotta take is getting the app called Downloader. And you can actually get Downloader free of charge from your official Amazon App Store. Just go to search on your device and start typing Downloader in the search bar. And as you can see, Downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So click on it, and now here's the app that you gotta get to your device. But after you got Downloader, it is not over yet, because you still have to set it up. So now, in order to actually set up Downloader, you go to Settings by clicking this button with a gear icon, then scroll down until you see My Fire TV. Open it, and now in here, what you have to do is turn on developer options for the Firestick. But on some Firesticks, and especially on the new Fire TV devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's pretty easy to make one appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. You open them, make sure to turn on the ADB debugging, then go back to install on apps, and in here, all you have to do is locate Downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now finally we go back to the list of applications of the Firestick, open it up, and now here's the Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on the Firestick. But before actually using Downloader, there is one more thing which I always recommend doing, and it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN. Because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Monaco right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN, with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. And now we are ready to go back to the list of apps on your device, which is right here. Let's open it up, and now here's the Downloader. So start up the Downloader application, and now when it opens, basically what you have to do in here is open the search bar, and here in the search we'll be entering the codes, which will allow us to get the movie apps. So the first code will be 375556. So once again, 375556, that's the whole code you have to enter. Click on go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you will get even more content about Firesticks. As well as please hit the like button below this video. It really helps me a lot, and that way I'll be able to create even more videos for you. And now the download of the app should start. That's right, here we go. Usually it does not take long, around a couple of seconds. But of course it all depends on your connection speed. Then click install and just wait for the app to finish installing on your Fire TV. And then after the app is downloaded and installed, don't click on open yet, instead click on done, because this way you get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your device. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way you get rid of the unnecessary files from your Firestick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important because by default your Firestick doesn't really have too much of free space available anyway. And now finally let's go to the list of apps on your device, and here at the bottom you will find the first app that we have downloaded. So now first of all I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's gonna be pretty easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. Then feel free to open the app. And now from here you get access to thousands of movies and TV shows. I just had to blur out my screen because YouTube doesn't allow me to show you the exact movies available in this app, but in your case, of course, it's not gonna be blurry. So that's how we got the first app, and now we go back to Downloader, and I'll show you how to get one more amazing movie app to the Firestick. So go back to Downloader, click on Home again, erase the previous code that we have used, and now we'll be using another code on your device, which will be 59601. So once again 59601. Click on go again, and now wait until it properly loads for you. And now the download of the second app has started, so again just wait a bit until it gets fully downloaded to your Firestick device. And then of course again click install and wait for the app to finish installing on your device. And then again after reinstallation click on done and make sure to get rid of the unnecessary installation files from the Firestick, just like that. And now if we go back to the list of applications on your device right here, let's open it up, and here's the second app that we got. Let's also put it up front and open it. And from here again you get loads of movies and TV shows. And again I had to blur out the screen for the same reason as previously. So enjoy the apps and see you next time. Bye bye.